Here you can see the passage number 5. All. We will grow flower plants with teachers and aunts. School is a temple. Knowledge is ample. Teacher, you are all right. Let's make our school bright. If we are dutiful, Bharat will be beautiful. So this is the passage you have to write first. Then start the question answers. What do students want to grow? Fruit plants, flower plants, vegetable plants? None. Yes, they wanted to grow flower plants. What is school like? School like is like a temple. What is temple? Knowledge is ample. Who says to whom you are all right? The teacher says to the student. When will be Bharat be beautiful? Bharat will be beautiful if we are dutiful. Who says that school is temple? All says that school is temple. Who advised to make school bright? The teacher advises to make school bright. So student, there are answers, but don't try to cheat. First try to do yourself, then match the answers. Now the activity time. See the activity number 1. Choose the correct alternative. Raju and Manjeet were quarreling over water, bits of paper, pencils, copper. They are fighting for bits of paper. So B is the right answer. You can see here. We should dash parents. क्या करना चाहिए हमें parents का? Not help, disobey, ignore or help. Yes, help. D is the right answer. Right, true or false statement. Raju and Bittu were quarreling. Is it right? No. Raju and Manjeet were quarreling, so it is false. Neha fetched water with her mother from a pond. Yes, it is also wrong because she used to go well, not a pond. So it is also false. With dedication to our duty, we can make Bharat beautiful. Yes, it is right. We should throw bits of paper in the classroom. No, it is wrong. The atmosphere of the school should be friendly. Yes, it is right. So student, you have to do like this. In exercises you have to do only in the book. Thank you. See the activity number 2. Choose the correct word from the box. Fill in the blanks. Here are some options, a word, and you have to fill in the blanks. A spider makes dash on the wall. Yes, cobweb is the right answer. Pooja washed the dash clothes in the washing machine. Dirty clothes. There were nobody in the class. It was almost quiet. So class में कोई नहीं है, so it is clear. It will be quiet. With the help of a broom, I clean my room daily. The peon mixed some floor cleaner in the water and then wipe the floor. Okay, students. Now here you can see the matchup. Piece of cloth. Piece of cloth किसके काम आता है? To wipe the floor. Broom. To clean dirt and dust. Chalk. To write on the blackboard. Dustbin. To throw garbage in. And a stool to sit upon. So you know, and you have to write it only the book. Arrange the jumbled letter to make meaningful verb. CEOBWB. Here some words are jumbled, so you have to correct the spelling. You have to do it in your notebook. You have to do in your notebook. COBWEB. SPARCS. Here scraps. SCRAPS. If you will do it in your notebook, then you will be able to write it yourself. BOROM. Broom. TMPELE. Temple. MITOONR. That means monitor. So then turn your page. Come to the next. Here are some sound words and you have to recognize the different one. Like moon. Here double O gives the sound oo. Soon and cool. All are giving oo sound. But book is giving a chota oo sound. Actually students, whenever you will pronunciate any word in English, try to recognize its sound in Hindi. So then you will be able to differentiate. Okay, like moon, bada oo, soon, bada oo, cool, bada oo, but book is giving a chota oo sound. So B is different. See the next. 9, kite, print, light. Here all I are giving I sound. 9, I, kite, I, light, I is giving the I sound. But print, in the word print, I is giving I print E sound. So it is the difference. Okay, so C is the different. Next, cut, U is giving a sound. Cup, here U is giving a sound. Put, here U is giving oo sound. And bus is also giving U a sound. So here put is different. Loudly, out, should, proud. Here OU is giving loud, ow sound. Out, ow sound. Proud, ow sound. But should is giving oo sound. So here should is again different. To, O is giving to, oo sound. No, O. So O, no, O. But to is giving to, oo sound, and remaining are giving O sound. So here to is different. So you have to do like that. Okay, and the last exercise you can see here, you have to fill some emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns depends on the subject. Like sir, I did it dash. Here I pronoun, for I pronoun, the emphatic pronoun will be myself. So here we will fill myself. Next, sir, he completed it. He, for he pronoun, the emphatic pronoun will be himself. So you do your homework yourselves. Sir, we all do our homework ourselves. For the word our, pronoun is, emphatic pronoun will be ourselves. So it will decided by the pronoun which is given already in the sentence कि which emphatic pronoun we will use. Emphatic means होता है जोर दे के कहना. That means अपने बारे में ही जब हम कोई बात कहते हैं, तो that is, she is in class 8, she does it themselves. She does it here herself. Okay, so it is wrong. You will correct it. And the last one, and what about your friend who completes that they also do the homework themselves? Okay, so you have to do like that. Thank you. You have to do all this only in the book.